Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, kindly join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to construct a triangle when one side and two angles are given. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a free open source software GeoGebra 5.0 and a free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we are going to prepare. We are going to construct a triangle when one side and two angles are given. For that, we have taken these entries AB 8, angle A 70 and angle B 65. We will draw AB and we will have angle 70 and angle 65, and we will try to locate C and then we draw the triangle. Then this triangle cannot be altered because everything is fixed over here. What we can do is we can check the third angle and then we can find the area and then check it using GeoGebra. Let us try to construct this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have selected GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. I have selected geometry view and I have taken option as rounding off to one decimal place and labeling of new points only. Okay. Now in that ABC, you can tell the children that actually what type of worksheet you are making. Construction of a triangle when one side and two angles are given. Okay. Then we will go for the exactly what we are going to do. We have taken a problem roughly that AB is 8 centimeter, angle A and all. But we will tell the children that this is the entries which we want. Okay, good. Escape. Let us just try to start this AB is equal to 8 centimeter. For that, go to this segment with given length. Simply touch A. It will ask what length you want. We want 8. Therefore, okay. Now you can bring down this A over here and then bring down B over here. Now we have to have angle A as 70 degrees. For that, go to this angle with the given size. Touch this B, touch this A. Immediately it will ask what do you want. It is already you can type it. Actually, I am not. I am typing it now 70. It may be 45, whatever may be. And in default setting, it will be counterclockwise. Click OK. Now you got 70 now. Okay. Now what you can do is you can go for one ray and then touch this A and B dash and then show object so that this B dash will go. Now we want this angle B as 65. For that, please note down. Again, you are going with angle with given size. Now there you are not going in clockwise, you are going in counterclockwise. That is, touch this A, touch this B. It will ask what do you want. What type 65, convert it into clockwise because we are going in clockwise. Therefore, press OK. Now you got this 65 now. The same idea, go to this ray and then touch this B and touch this A dash. Well, now what you can do now, escape. This A dash can be show object so that it will be hidden. Now you can bring it a little bit down if you want. Okay. Now you can go for this point of intersection. You touch these two lines, this line and this line. You got that C now. Go to this polygon, touch this A, touch B, touch C and come back and touch A. Now press escape. These two lines which we are the rays showing the angles can be removed now because we got the required triangle now. This AB is 8 centimeter. If you want, you can right click it and you can object property. You can ask it to show its value. It is exactly 8. You are seeing that it is exactly 8. Now a child can come and check what will be the third angle. He can measure it also. For that, he can measure through GeoGebra also. Go to this angle. Go in clockwise direction. That is, touch A, touch C and then touch B. Now it is 45. Should be 45 because 70 plus 65 plus 45 is 180 degrees. Now remember, this triangle cannot be moved by you. Okay. Now a child may be interested to find its perimeter. Okay. Now you can ask them to how to get the perimeter. That is, for that you have to touch this one of the segments, go to this object property, show label, and then value. Okay. It is coming as 10.3. Again touch it, again go to the show label, and then the value of it for 10.6. You can add this 10.3 plus 10.6 plus 8 and you can get the perimeter. Now how to get the area? Two ways of doing it. Directly from GeoGebra you can get it, but let us try to have this perpendicular line. For this you touch this AB and touch that C. Now you got this perpendicular. Now you can have the foot of the perpendicular by going for this point of intersection. For touch this line, touch this AB and then touch it. Touch this AB. You got this F as the point of intersection. Now you can go for a segment which tells you the altitude. CF is the altitude. CF is the altitude. Now you can right click it and then show the object. This line will go now. Now you want to have the length of this. Touch it. Okay. Escape. I think this to be show object. Well, now escape. Now touch it. Touch this line. Right click. The segment is selected. Go for its value. It is exactly something as 9.6. Now you can ask the children to find the area. Half into base into height. Half into 8 into 9.6. Now you can directly get the area from here, area, and then simply click this triangle, you will get the area. Now you can ask the children to check whether the area obtained from this GeoGebra and the area obtained by the formula of half into base into height is always the same. From this, a child can verify after drawing the triangle with the given length and two angles, he can check the other properties also. Perimeter, area, and the third angle also he can check it. Okay, thank you. Let us learn to lead.